Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to change a filter on a Samsung refrigerator. As you can see, the filter light is on. So the first thing you do is get the water filter, and I got this at Lowe's, or you can get them at your local hardware store or Home Depot. And the code number is right there. DA2900020B, or all those three numbers. So the first thing we're gonna do is change the filter. So to remove the filter, it's right in the center. They call it the French door. And you gotta turn to your left, and then once it's straight up, you could pull it out, but you gotta be careful because they have water in here still. But so you have to drain it. So I just let it sit there for a few minutes until I change the new filter. And here is the new filter right now. Let me remove the plastic on this. So once you remove the plastic, or the seal plastic on this, you remove this, the top cover, and then go to our refrigerator, and you have to kind of right there, push it, and then turn it all the way until it's straight up again. And then you close the refrigerator, and where it says alarm, all you have to do is press it for 3 seconds and it's gone. Now once you do that, you have to purge the water system in this. So I got me a little pitcher, and I'm gonna purge it. As you're gonna see it purge. Watch. See? So I do it for maybe half a pitcher of this, and when it's good, you're already done putting your new water filter. So I just want to say thank you, and I hope this helps in changing your filter, and thank you for watching.